Good morning. Welcome to Ocean View Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I have reservation. My name is Mary Chen.
Perfect. Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation. Room 305. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here. But I have question. Where is breakfast?
Breakfast is on the second floor, from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Second floor. Okay. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 o'clock, noon.
12 noon. Good. And excuse me, how do I say Wi-Fi?
Oh, yes, the Wi-Fi password is on this card. Here you go.
Thank you. One more question. I need taxi tomorrow to airport. Can you help?
Of course. What time do you need the taxi?
My flight is at 3 p.m. What time is good?
The airport is 45 minutes away. I recommend 1 o'clock. Is that okay?
Yes, perfect. 1 o'clock. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Here is your room key. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. You are very kind.
Have a great day, Mary.